All right, we are still here at Zoo Boo at the Detroit Zoo. How are you, sir?
I'm great, thanks.
And what is your name?
Bill.
Bill, and what are you dressed as so the people know?
Steampunk.
That is right. That's what I knew. And it is right. That hat, those glasses, he's doing it big. So, do you use Miss Dig 811?
Absolutely. Every time I have to dig in the ground and not knowing exactly where, even if I knew from the previous one, I just do it again just to make sure.
That's right. So you're being safe. Do you recommend other people use Miss Dig?
They'd be foolish if they didn't.
That is absolutely correct. Thank you. And how do you contact Miss Dig 811 when you have a project?
811.
That's absolutely right. Thank you so much. You have a great day.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thanks.
Thank you for watching What's the 811. Remember to always call 811 before you dig. Safety is in your hands. Every dig, every time.